First, we will go to our website vmcasereport.com. Then carefully read all guidelines and checklists given in website navigation bar. This guidelines is for authors. Read all given instructions. Only case report and case series are accepted. For submission, first you need to click on Make a Submission. Then log in or register your account as author. After register your account, log in into website. Then in left side is you can see your option of Start a New Submission. Click on that. Please read the submission guidelines carefully. After that, put your article title and select the section. Read all checklists and begin submission. After that, write your keywords of your article. Abstract. Then click to continue. Then upload file of your article. Then choose the option that describe the file. Then click to continue. If you want to give any comments to editor, then you can write here. Then click continue. This is reviewer submission. If you want to add, you can. After that, recheck all details. And click to submit. Then your submission is completed successfully.